Here we are on morning one. We came up the Malign River a long way, and it rained the whole day. We had to basically walk the boats up the river, jumping out occasionally, did a few portages. Unfortunately, I was carrying a heavy food pack with my river shoes on, twisted an ankle slightly, so I'm limping a little bit now, but we're gonna have a rest day or two here on Bent Pine, so I'll be able to recover from that. Mikey over here.
Yeah. Hello, folks.
Bright and shiny.
It feels good to be drying out, though. Mark was right. It was a wet day.
Oh, man.
It was a tough day, but we enjoyed it. We
So-
survived.
So we paddled all the way up this river, and we finally get on the Big Lake Sturgeon, and then nor'easterlies, gale force nor'easterlies, whitecaps, with sheets of rain in our face the whole way. And then just as we got here into Bent Pine, right before dark, she settled down, and lo and behold, cleared up. And we are going fishing. Woo! Hold it sideways. Beauty. Standing on a rock here. There's Mike in the boat. Wonder what he weighs. You got the big one this time. Look at this thing. Is that gonna be 4? Same size as those other ones, you know? Okay. Here we go. Look at that old lot. Okay. Landing speed. Oh, got him. Ready? Somebody built a huge rock cairn right here off the shore. We're gonna go take care of this. It violates every policy of Quetico in terms of man-made structures.
Okay, here we are again. Mike tried his first cast for dinner, but he skunked out. Mark's gonna try to catch dinner for us now. Oh.
Well, it took about 25 minutes, but Mike just caught the first walleye. Oh, and I've got one on too. There they are. Here we are, the morning after. Had a great night, ate a bunch of walleyes. Mike's just getting the food squared away as he prepares breakfast. Getting packed up, moving up to North Sturgeon.
The group is only as fast
as the slowest man. See, okay. The back's so heavy. Yeah. Can you help me lift that back?
Yeah. Oh.
Grabbing a little shore lunch here. Nice landing. How you doing, Mike?
Doing well. Mark's allowing us a short.
Ow! Right. Mike has shaved again this morning. He looks prim and proper. Found a nice school of walleyes here. Just caught 3 in a row. Let's see if we can get another one. Got number 4 on right now. It's funny how they school so tightly in really shallow water. Probably not more than about 6-7 feet of water. 4 quick ones. Boom, 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 boom. All right around the same size. Let's see if we can get another one. One of our absolute favorite campsites right here. Here's a tent pad. Pretty small, but just right, nice and level. And then here's the fire pit. Absolutely beautiful sight. Oh, somebody had a little bit of bad luck. See what we're looking at. It's the front end of a Grumman canoe. Oh, and the outfit symbol almost wore off. Things didn't go well for that party. That's why you've really got to be careful when you get around these rapids.
The group is only as fast
As the slowest man. So Mike and I have a little dilemma here. The wind is really strong and the wind's blowing right into the current from the waterfalls. So it creates this Maytag effect where if you get caught in the middle of it, you're going to be bouncing around. Comes Mike. So what we've done is we've tied the canoe up and we're gonna go and stand next to the falls and catch our dinner from shore. Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
drowned him in the pool.
It's dinner, buddy. Shout out Drew, huh?
Yeah.
There goes Mike, ready to get to work. Dinner. What you eating there, Mike?
Giving some fish chowder. What do we call it, Mark?
Well, this would be a red bean and rice fish chowder in hollandaise sauce with a little bit of lemon pepper and cherry Kool-Aid. Doesn't get any better than this.
Cheers.
Look at this. He mixes his oatmeal and his coffee together.
It's quick, one pot, you know.
Okay, buddy.
This is Mark's idea of morning exercise. You okay, man?
You bet. Mike and I just portaged into the next lake. So on the second cast, oh my God, it's a big female. One. Hey, we could always shoot to Kanippie today. It's not that, there's really no, it's only carryovers, you know?
Look at me, I work so hard, and I don't really make a lot. Every day, oh, I break my back outside, and it is very hot. Oh, why my life must be this way? I have no time to go and play. Oh, I can't wait until Friday, then I can go and spend my pay.
And we are here on night 5, round 1. How you feeling, man?
We've had a good day. It was a solid day, but we both survived. I'm still here.
Oh, man. Mike took a good spill.
I fell in the peg. I felt like the Michelin man. It was like just big fluff all around me, you know?
That's how it is. You go down and it's like, oh, you don't even feel it.
Right.
And your feet are in the air. It's hilarious. And the weather has been gorgeous. Say goodnight, Mike.
Good night, folks. I hope I hope to see you again.
We're pulling out here. We got a rapids right to the left, so we need a hard left forward stroke, Mike, to keep us out of that water. No problem.
Look at that. Nice one. Nice. Here. Okay, so nice walleye. Ooh, bruiser. Bruiser. Look at this fish.
Okay, we're at a spot we affectionately refer to as the meat hole, and we're going to demonstrate that. Ooh! Boy, he hit it right at the boat. Getting ready to send the spot signal. We are actually camped out on the Portage Trail. We waited until just now, slightly before dark, to set up the tent because it's actually a trail. So we wanted to make sure that nobody was going to come through. Mike put some finishing touches on the gear. Hold on, let me stand up. To the right. Woo! So here we are. We've had like 8 travel days in a row, and you really should take a rest day now and then. So we're like physically exhausted. It's hot out. And I keep teasing Mike. I keep saying, okay, it's 12:30 now. We'll be out in a boat at 1 o'clock.
By far, I got nothing left before Mark's killed me.
Let's see that cast again, Mike. We're exhausted. We'll see.
I hope to make it back.
Look at that bold fashion statement. Look at those pants. Let's see that pants leg, Mike.
It's red. I wish I would have done this earlier. I'm gonna do the other leg, right, when I get home.
Yeah, look at that. Here's Mike heating up the glug. So, Mike, that's round 2 of glug, and we might even go 3 rounds, but
We're thinking about it. Yeah, we'll make it.
okay. Well, 3. What night is this? Here we are. Night 8. Round 3. We had an extra round tonight because Mike brought an extra one, surprised us. So we're going to split it up. 1 glass tonight, 1 glass tomorrow. So that's 3 6-ounce cups of Mike's Everclear potion, which really helps you sleep.
Try not to burn the place down on our way out.
Here we are on Tuesday morning. Yeah. We're on North Agnes, and we're going to head down lake. But Mike here is demonstrating the way that he eats breakfast. So what he does is he puts everything in 1 cup.
Instant oatmeal, a little bit of dry oatmeal,
Mm-hmm.
and a couple of packs of Folgers instant coffee. All mixed up in just one big goop, and I'm ready to stir it up to see what we have today here.
About halfway down Agnes. Absolutely perfect travel day. Real close. Who's the man? I want to get that one out of here. No. There's our girl.
Everyone knows it's Mindy.